One end will have really precise needles to get into all the edges gap, and on the other end, if you close this red cap, don't throw this away when you are using it. You make sure you keep them, because then you will keep it prevent from getting spills or clogging. And this is the brush, precision brush. So what you are going to use it, you can use it to getting a seals on the lecture surface of the metal or centerpiece frame. I'm gonna close this really tight, and using on the other end, take the red cap off. Hold on, let me push it so hard in there. Okay, good. And then we're gonna go and check around the cuticles area, and if you feel like scratchy, you're gonna seal it in on the edges. Seal. You can go back and forth is more than just one time. Make sure each time if you seal, you are going to key it for 30 seconds or flash key it first. And I'm gonna seal all the metal frame, but leave the crystal alone. You do not want to you don't want to cover the crystal, as it's gonna mix all look is so dull. So you don't want to like seals on the top of the crystal, because it's going to destroy the sparkle, the cut and the sparkle of it. So now we're gonna clear this one. I just add the crystal, cute little like SS4 or 5, using a precision glue gel. So this is only a suggest for the smaller crystal. If the bigger crystal, you are going to using condensed glue gel. And if you are using a lot of large side of the crystal, which is like a 3D, like this 3D, you want to using the triple thick crystal condensed glue gels. So I'm gonna seals on the top of all the beads, and we're going to check around.
Yes, Catherine, this is a fake finger. It's very realistic, and also have some type of bone, so you can actually bend it to the way you need. And you can get it from our official website at glitzsuch.com.
Alright, so I'm gonna clear this one for 60 seconds too. And this Olivia, that's her name, is really easy to it's easy to clean. You're just using a lint roller. Look at it, she can be bend. You can bend it for you. She can twitch it for you. I should put some rings on for her though. Can you get some?
Very realistic. It's almost like a really human finger.
Alright,
that's this. Olivia.
And then we're gonna do this one. Basically, we have it's like special made and then molding in the closest to the size of the fingers. It's great for practice showing some tutorial. If you are doing it for the salon, it's great to show clients some of the design that the clients are really interested in for the seasons, for the holiday, for the season, or for everyday wearing. You can be able to do some quick tutorials. I mean, the showing them what you are going to offer for the service. Those will be cool because the clients can see it, and you can get the pictures.
And then thank you, Sherilyn, for the badge.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Sherilyn. So we're gonna go ahead and seal and clear this one. And it's really cool though. We're gonna close this one to prevent from getting like leaking or clog from precision glue gel. And one bottle of this lasts you quite a long time, I have to say that. Because you're just using it for really like on the smaller crystal, and then filling all the crystals around the crystal edges, like all of this. I'm washing my hair, the texture, but I don't feel is catching on my hair at all. So I just I did this on the video the other day, on the live video, so you can see that. And then I use these seals, and with all the beads and frame and between the crystals, to prevent from, it seals really well. So it's like a concrete right here. So it doesn't have any of a gap between. So when I run through my hairs or my showers or, you know, like dressing up, I won't have to worry about it's catching anything. So if it have any of scratchy area, you can definitely squeeze a little bit in and seal. You can seal the beads and the frame, but not on the top of the crystal. You can seal the pearl, but you can see that I didn't seal the crystal at all. I sealed around the crystal. So then the crystal still looks sparkle nice and without look dull. I'm gonna need some of the that one for the alcohol. Or maybe here, I got it. I'm using the can you tell this one is Olivia on the right hand? Maybe she right-handed, because you can see that it's like the calluses. Like me had a calluses here. I know it's like I'm holding my pens like this. A lot of us holding our pens and the middle fingers like this. She's probably in her right hand. Well, if she lefty, if she a left hand, then maybe it's her left hand. But if she the right hand, that's how she get calluses here. And this one is the right hand, left hand.